There's a special kind of horror in watching someone's entire life collapse in real time. And Accused on Netflix taps into that fear with zero warning.
गीतिका के अगेंस्ट कुछ कंप्लेंट आई।
So, Accused, directed by Anubhuti Kashyap, throws us straight into the eye of the storm. No slow introductions, no warm-up. We meet Gitika, a London-based gynecologist played by Konkana Sen Sharma, who is just days away from becoming the dean when she's suddenly accused of sexual misconduct. And it's not just her career. Gitika's entire life with wife Meera, played beautifully by Pratibha Ranta, starts cracking in ways neither of them sees coming. They are in the middle of adopting a child, planning their future, and then one allegation just detonates everything. What I really appreciated is how the film handles the inquiry process. The HR meetings, the internal grilling, the awkward silences. There's a quiet tension that never lets you breathe easy. It's all very matter of fact, and that is exactly what makes it so unsettling. And here's the smartest thing the film does. Gitika is not written like a perfect victim. She's ambitious, blunt, sometimes downright abrasive, and very aware of her authority. She calls people out publicly. Gitika doesn't sugarcoat mistakes, so she's not someone you automatically gather sympathy for. And I believe that is intentional. It forces us to watch her with a clear and biased gaze, even though the world around her refuses to do the same because she is a woman in power facing sexual misconduct claim. That contrast is what makes the film's commentary land hard. On the other hand, Meera is the emotional counterweight. Younger, quieter, someone who is always adjusting herself around Geeta's orbit. The shift we see in Meera as the story progresses is honestly one of my favorite arcs in the film. Pratibha Ranta gives the film the emotional oxygen it desperately needs, especially when things get suffocating. The writing of Accused stays crisp, the pace stays sharp, and the performances feel lived in. Konkana Sen Sharma especially plays complexity without ever asking for sympathy. It is a fantastic reminder of how powerful she is when she gets a character with real shadows. What the film doesn't fully lean into, and I wish it did, is the deeper chaos that comes with an allegation of this magnitude. The story hints at how conversations shift in hushed corners, or how a woman in power is judged differently the moment her name is pulled into something scandalous. These threads are there, but they aren't always explored with the same bite the premise promises. A little more interrogation of these societal reflexes could have pushed the film into even more unsettling territory. Accused is tense, tightly built, and refreshingly unsentimental, a thriller that hooks you early and never lets the tension slip. And while it could have examined the anatomy of an allegation with even more force, the biases it exposes, the power shift it triggers, the way a woman's entire identity gets redefined overnight, the film still handles its central issue with a steady, unsettling clarity. So, if you're looking for something that challenges you without holding your hand, Accused on Netflix is absolutely worth adding to your watch list.